Hey everybody, going to be starting doing the programming for the CNC router for some science I've got to do. Let me just check a few things here real quick, make sure I've got all my monitoring stuff done. Though strangely enough, I just uploaded a time-lapse video for the Emily D. Baker braid, and I got it. I'm using music with it that says it's copyright, or you can use it as long as you put a link to their site and tell them that say that you're using it. And I've done it before, and it says no copyright on YouTube. The This is weird. I thought I saved that. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Save that. Okay, there we go. Apparently, I didn't have the not made for kids done on it. All right. And hopefully, you guys can hear me this time. At least it says the microphone is working. Anyway, what I was saying was that let me, I think I can bring it over real quick. I'm sharing a full screen rather than just a window. Let me, yeah. There we go. So yeah, it says copyright here. See details. At least it says it's not affected and not a copyright strike, but I use the same music on this one here, and it says no restriction. So I don't know what the difference is, but it's a little annoying. Let's see. All right, bring back StreamYard. Okay, good. Glad to hear the audio is good. I got a fan going, so if that gets too annoying, I'll go ahead and mute that and put on some music in the background. All right, so new model here. Dimensions 30 inches high, 10 inches wide in inches. And my Z0 is the lower left-hand corner here. All right, so first thing I need to do is I need to make an arc for the text to go on to. Let's see, where's the arc button? There we go. All right, so on the left side here, start point. Okay, start end point. Okay, set point on an arc, which will be 1 inch by 4 inches up. Set the point. Go to the end point. Let's see. One inch over and 26 inches up. Set point. There we go. All right, so I accidentally got 2 arcs, so let's see if I can't delete that one. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done this. And okay, that one's too far of an arc. So let's try and delete that and start over again. Okay. Okay. 1, 4. Set point. 1 and 26. So 4 inches from the end. And set point on the arc. Okay. All right, that looks like a good spot there, roughly -7 by 15. Apparently not. Okay. Like I said, I haven't used this in a while. Okay. All right, so that works now. Let me go ahead and put a little bit of background music on it, just because I tend to not talk as much when I'm thinking, and I need to think a little bit more on this. All right, so let me do the background music down a bit, and let's start off with feeding the ducks. Hopefully that level's okay. If it's not, let me know. All right, so text tool. We've already selected the vector, so it's on there. And I have the right text that I want. I know that's kind of hidden by the watermark. Let me see if I can't fix that so it's not in the way. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it too much. Okay, so text I'm going to do. All right, that looks pretty good. Space it out a little better. Create. All right. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mute myself a little bit real quick here. Okay, I'm off mute. All right, so it looks good in the simulation, but my experience is that if you cut too fast or too deep, specifically in I'm doing pine, it can tear things up. So I'm going to modify this. So edit. All right, so I will go into the tool here, step down, do it 1/8 of an inch. Feed rate's 30 inches a minute, plunge rate 15, spindle speed 18,000. So calculate now. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Reset the simulation. All right, I think that's probably good there. So I'm going to save this. Going to replace the old one because I had the wrong text on it. Let's remove that simulation. Don't need to save that. Go to vectors. All right, delete that. That way, when I do it again, I won't get that alert that there's an open vector. And toolpath. Save toolpath as. If I have multiple toolpaths, since I don't have a tool changer, they need to go over here. But since I've only got the one, this one here is fine. So, there we go. G code has been saved. And new model. And we do this again. So we do an arc. 126. 1 4. And that looks pretty good. Cancel that. Text tool. All right. I guess that looks okay the way it is. And create. Just select that arc. That we're good there. All right, and toolpath. Tool D toolpath, V-bit carving. Select the vectors first. Cutting depth 0, maximum depth 1/4 inch. Click to select the tool. That was pretty far down on the bottom. 60-degree angle, 1/4 inch shank. Select that. Okay. There we go. Step down 1/8 of an inch. Everything else looks good. No roughing tool. Okay, calculate now. Material size has not been defined. Forgot that, so click to define material. 1/2 inch thick material. Now calculate. Intersections. Great. Vector Doctor. Okay, identify. No vectors selected. Let's try that again now. Remove vector loops. Fix problems. Hopefully that took care of it. Let's see if I can calculate now. No vector selected. Okay, let's try that again. Calculate now. Okay, that works. Close that. Switch to the isometric look. There we go. Let's simulate all toolpaths. Simulate. Reset. Control bar. I will have a braiding stream tomorrow afternoon. I just need to get this done, so doing this as a stream helps make me do it. This is the top half of the signs. On the bottom half, I'm going to have some carvings of different game type things. For the historical ones, it'd be like chess and Go. And for the modern ones, I was figuring like maybe a die set, maybe even a polyhedral die set, and like a Pikachu and something else like that. So that's what I was thinking along those lines. All right, so that looks good. Let's delete the simulation. View. From the top, go back to 2D image. All right, export the toolpath or save it toolpath as. And that one's saved. So these are what the toolpaths look like. All right, so I'm gonna open with Notepad. So this is the G code. These tell the machine what, general controls, what type of dimensions it's got, whether they're millimeters or inches. In this case, it is millimeters. I forget if I did it in inches, whatever I've got it set for. I think I program in inches, but let it generate the G code in millimeters. So, and that's the carving path the tool goes on. And I upload those to the machine when I'm ready to run it, or I move it to the machine computer that I run it from and have a program that loads this code and then generates the tool paths from that. So, all right, there's not a whole lot else on this. That went a little faster than I expected, which is good. Though apparently, Gwen, you're the only one who's actually interested in watching this. We had about 3 people pop on total, but we're back down to just you. Anything you need before I head out? Oh, and looks like with the help of Long Lumber Chat, I am up to 727 subscribers now. So just a little over about 270 or so, and I theoretically will get monetized. Okay. And I did get the braid mailed out to Emily D. Baker, so hopefully she'll have it by Tuesday. And then whenever she checks her P.O. box and gets it from there. So, all right, well, I need to head out to the garage and start planing wood. Thank you very much. Have a good one.